Hey guys, what's happening? Joshua Elder here. Wanted to do a shorter video for you guys today. All my videos I've been recently doing have been like, I swear, 20, 30 minutes long. So I'm going to keep this video a lot shorter. This is just simply an update video, guys. I want to let you guys know how I did in my online business last month for the month of March. And I want to celebrate with you guys too as well, because here I am. You can see that I'm in my Next Selection Lifestyle Mastermind group, and at the time of the creation of this specific video, we've got 572 members, okay? And not only that, guys, we've got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people within this group succeeding out of the top 20 and 4%. So they say that success leaves clues. And if you're inside of our group, we've got everything that you need to succeed. And the numbers here show it. You can see that I hit the number 3 spot in the top 20 as far as sales volume for March of 2018. And to show you guys some results here in my Clickbank account, this is the merchant that the 4% uses. You can see that I did over $8,000, exactly $8,112. and 62 cents right here. So guys, if you're not familiar with what the 4% is, I'm going to put a link in the description below. You can click that link and it will give you a complete review of the 4%. And by the way, you guys, this is just one income stream, right? From the other videos that you've watched, you've noticed that I'm making some good money with ClickFunnels. I'm making some good money as an affiliate there, as well as ClickMagick and GetResponse. And what else is there? Udemy. There's also Bluehost that I'm making commissions from. And that's all due to the 4% and the challenge. And maybe I will create a spreadsheet giving you guys a complete breakdown of how much I've made year to date with 4%. Now the challenge has only been around for about, I want to say about 4 weeks, maybe actually a lot longer than 4 weeks. It's been about 6 or 7 weeks that the challenge has been around for. So let me actually show you guys. Let me see if I can go to February's results in the challenge from the 1st of February. I think I started promoting right around the 4th or the 5th or something like that. But we'll go from the 1st of February to the 28th. And you can see in February, I did $5,810.24. So you can see that my income, my earnings are slowly increasing, all due to, the challenge here. And right now I'm on session 28. I've only completed 28 days, guys. And by following what Vic teaches, what Vic outlines inside of the challenge, I've been able to create these types of numbers. 8,000 plus nearly 6,000. That's right around $14,000, right? Because of the teachings from the inside of the challenge. And guys, I want to make this apparent that this is no guarantee of income. Just because I've had these types of results doesn't mean that you're going to go through the challenge and you're going to get similar results, because I don't know your level of commitment. I don't know if you're going to take action. I don't know if you believe the words that are coming out of my mouth. I don't know if you're going to listen to Vic or myself. I don't know where you are mentally. I don't know where you're at financially. But if you have the will and the desire to succeed, and most importantly, if you are consistent, right? Golfers practice consistently. Baseball players practice consistently. The best of the best practice consistently. Football players practice consistently. Those that are all-stars practice every single day. So if you're on the fence, treating this business as a pipe dream or a hobby, you're not going to get the results that you want. You probably shouldn't waste your time. But if you can commit yourself to success and not create excuses and do things inside of your business and inside of your life, regardless of how you feel, and that's one of the things that I've been doing the past couple of weeks, guys. I made a decision that I was going to put out one piece of content every single day, regardless of how I felt. Because if I took action or inaction, depending on how I feel every single day, I wouldn't get a whole lot done, right? And so sometimes we have to go against what we're feeling, where our minds are at, right? How we woke up this morning. Sometimes you wake up on the wrong side of the bed. You don't want to do anything. But you got to forget about that. You've got to be relentless, unstoppable. You've got to be mentally strong here. You got to exercise your mind to the point where when you have those bad days, you still take action regardless. Because what happens is when you quit for a certain amount of time, you have this tendency to take longer and longer to recommit, right? So if you stop working out, you'll think to yourself, dang, I haven't worked out for 3 weeks or even 3 days, and now I have to go back to the gym. This is going to be difficult. I'm going to be super sore, so I'm not going to go back to the gym, right? Or I haven't put out content in my business for weeks. I haven't created a video for weeks. Man, am I going to be good on video? Am I going to lose, that capability to shoot videos? You have to be consistent, because what will happen is even if you have a bad day and you are still consistent, it's building confidence. It's giving you confidence because you're doing what you originally committed yourself to do from the get-go, right? And so that's what I'm really focused on doing right now. And I think this is like day 17 or day 18 of this challenge for myself, as far as like putting out content on a consistent basis on YouTube, on my channel. And I did miss a day. I missed a day on Sunday, but I made up for that on Monday because I put out a piece of content in the morning and a piece of content at night. But don't get too far behind. Sometimes you're going to have those days, right? Sunday was Easter. I was with family celebrating. And so, give and take, guys, give and take. But with that said, I'm really super stoked to be going through this challenge, to be having these types of results. Somebody that dropped out of college, that tried about everything under the sun, that was actually pretty good at a lot of things. I played baseball growing up. I got scouted by the Atlanta Braves, was pretty good at sports, played in college, college baseball. Has always been, decent at golf, loved basketball, but I realized, that I couldn't be a jack of all trades when it came to sports, or else I was just going to be, like 30% good at everything. So I realized that too in my business when I first got started in internet marketing. I was doing everything, SEO, Amazon, eBay stuff, retail arbitrage, domain flipping. I mean, guys, like I did everything, but then I realized, do I want to be a dabbler, or do I want to achieve mastery at one specific thing? And so when I finally decided to achieve mastery, that's what finally gave me these results. It's not because I'm special, I have special skills, or because I went to college, because I have an MBA, because I don't have any of that, right? But what I do have is I did finally learn one specific skill. Even my dog Benji over here, he's trying to motivate you guys too. We got him over here howling. So I want you guys to fully commit to this, commit to completion, never give up, and you guys will succeed. It's a matter of time. The only way that you will not succeed is if you quit. Is if you get overwhelmed because you're trying to do too much. You're trying to learn too much. You're in 3 different programs. Guys, that's not the way to success. The way to success is one program, one skill set, one traffic method, and committing to completion. So with that said, you got value from this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want access to the 4% in the challenge, and you want to learn how to become an independent entrepreneur and build an independent business from complete scratch, right, Benji? Click the link below, and we will see you on the next page. And I love you guys. Comment below if you have any questions. Let me know. Tell me below that you're committed, right? I'm committed in the comments, and click that link, and we'll see you on the next page. Take care.